District Service Commission everywhere. There is another painful issue we must confront as a district. This year we are going to lose about 600 something million because the District Service Commission was not installed out of fear of a political pressure. From May to date, we do not have any service commission and we shall lose this money. It was meant to recruit civil servants at Batwa Health Center 4. The integrity of our District Service Commission, as leaders of this district, we should look into it. For too long, many of our young people have suffered in silence. They study hard, graduate with hope, and apply for jobs in their own districts. But instead of fair opportunities, they are often told quietly that a job requires money, a car or a powerful connection. Over 307,000 people, how do you connect? Some are asked to pay bribes. Others are told to promise gifts before they can be considered. This situation is deeply painful and unacceptable. It discourages our hard-working youth. It pushes away talented and qualified people. It also fills out our public offices with individuals who may not be the most competent, but simply the ones who could afford to pay. When jobs are bought instead of earned, the entire district suffers. So we have eaten all these pills for long. Our schools will suffer, our health centers will suffer, and our public services will decline, and we shall all be in the same pit. These, as leaders of this district, we must fight together, and I ask you to unite with me to achieve it. Let me be very clear. Jobs in Agago district are not for sale. They are not for sale. As we start our new tenure, you will have to apply for jobs contented that if you qualify, you will get. And if you were acting otherwise, we shall drag our feet. Our people should never have to sell their land, borrow money, or promise cattle just to secure employment in their own district. Public service is a responsibility, not a business transaction. As leaders, we are tired of corruption that has eaten up some of the District Service Commission. And we must end it as leaders in this new regime. Today I want to say we must appoint a competent members of the District Service Commission that will protect the dignity of this office, that will not allow bribes to influence their decisions, do not allow job buying to take root in their district again. They should let work be guided by competence, qualifications, transparency, and fairness. Recruit our people based on merit and ability. Give equal opportunities to every qualified citizen of Agago. Let our teachers, health workers, and civil servants be selected because they are capable and committed to serving the community. If we build a corruption-free District Service Commission, we will restore hope to the youth, to the citizens, strengthen our public institutions, and ensure that the best minds serve our district. Together, let us build a system where every young person in Agago can comfortably say, if I study hard, work hard and qualify, I will get a fair chance. That is the Agago we want to build. Agago mera roya oye. Lastly, land protection. We have a big chunk of land owned by communities, owned by individuals. We must